Outdoors. Sleeping in the fresh air has a soothing effect. Dolly uses another stress-relieving method. She keeps Orsby's blush in her makeup bag. Soak colored Orsby's balls in water. Let them cure for a few hours. Transfer the swollen balls into an empty blush container. Dolly enjoys touching the smooth and cool Orsby's balls. Their bright colors will keep spirits up and help maintain natural blush on the face. Blondie wakes up suddenly. She's been having a bad dream about going on a date without any makeup. She didn't expect she could sleep so long. It's a disaster. I need to do my makeup in a minute. Blondie tries to take out her beauty products with shaking hands. Well, her lip makeup will never get perfect in this way. She has to calm down first. Take my soothing foundation. Cut off the end of a foundation tube. Clean it inside. Put glitter and caviar manicure beads in clear slime. Knead it to mix. Put the slime into the foundation tube. Hot glue the cut. Blondie squeezes sparkly slime instead of foundation. It's makeup magic. It's so funny to stretch the slime. Blondie immediately forgets about her problems. Meanwhile, Dolly helps her correct her makeup. She can go out on her dream date all quiet and beautiful. Dolly has to solve a difficult problem: how to choose an appropriate eyeshadow color. It's a real challenge. Meanwhile, Blondie has no problem of the kind. She's got a fidget spinner to make the right choice. We'll need 3 clear little cap containers. Put eyeshadow from a broken makeup palette into each. Compact the eyeshadow using rubbing alcohol soaked wipes. Attach the containers to the fidget spinner. Blondie spins her makeup spinner. The color on top wins. It's easy. Forget about your choosing problems. Let the spinner make a choice. Dolly's got special flexible makeup brushes. You can bend them easily. Relax your hands so that they could apply perfect eyeliner and put on eyeshadow. Prepare similar tops of broken makeup brushes. Cut off the excess of glitter glue sticks. Heat an end to melt. Attach a makeup brush top. The bendy makeup brushes and an eyeshadow spinner will make an excellent makeup set. Enjoy your makeup. Turn it into a funny game. Blondie is out of her favorite lipstick. It makes her feel unhappy. Dolly offers her another one. Let Blondie use it, but it's not really Blondie's color. It's too pink. Dolly shows how to use this lipstick. It's not makeup actually, but a stress reliever. It helps relax. Take an empty lipstick tube. Knead light pink clay. Roll it up to shape a lipstick bullet. Hot glue it into the tube. Take down the lipstick and cut off the excess. Shape the cut with your fingers. Blondie presses the lipstick, squeezing and twisting it. Who would believe it could reduce stress? As for the makeup, Dolly has got a real lipstick. Use it for doing your lip makeup. Someone must be having too much free time. Dolly is hanging around doing nothing. Has she swallowed a couple of batteries? She's got enough energy to light up a whole house. She's taking up juggling, but she's too nervous to catch the fruit. I should urgently keep her busy with a weird EOS before she crushes the kitchen. Cut out a middle grid in a used EOS container. Use a heated knife. Put in a bouncy ball. Dolly doesn't get it at once what to do with the weird EOS. Wow, it's a funny bouncy ball. She immediately starts the game. In the meantime, I can continue cooking. Did you like the ideas? Then write in your comments which makeup stress reliever you are going to use for calming down. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new weird makeup ideas on the Troom Troom channel.